Hello everyone. Today we're going to go over how to register for the college fair as well as how to navigate our virtual college fair. So we're going to start off by hovering over student support and then clicking transfer center. We're going to scroll down and we're going to look for the blue button that says college fair. When you get to the college fair landing page, you're going to notice a few things. The first thing I want to point out is there's a button here that will give you a list of schools attending the college fair this semester. The second thing I want to point out are these helpful resources. There's this video on how to prepare for the college fair, and then we've also created a PDF for tips to prepare for the college fair. I highly suggest looking over both of these before attending the fair this week. We're going to now click on registration for students. We want to scroll down and you'll notice that there are two registration buttons. This is because our event at SMC is among the largest college fair, and so we have to separate all of the colleges and universities in alphabetical order from A through L and then M through Z. So you want to make sure to register for both events in order to get access to all of the colleges and universities. We're going to start off by clicking register to connect with A through L universities. When you get to this page, you want to click register now. On the left hand side, you will either sign up filling out these boxes here, or my favorite way is by just using your SMC credentials to log in or to create your login. Now, I have already registered for the event. So when this logs me in, you'll see that it'll put me directly into the lobby. But I will show you what the registration page will look like. It's just a few basic questions about what city you live in and some transfer information. So when you register, it allows you to put a profile picture, and then again it asks you some basic questions about where you live. It wants to know also if you've attended any other college or university, how many units you've completed at SMC, what your intended major is, and when you intend to transfer to a four-year university or college. You can also enter your phone number here, but it's not necessary. Then you'll click save and it'll create your registration. So when the day of the fair comes up, you will be directed to the lobby when you log in. When you're in the lobby, you can see all of the colleges and universities. And again, remember, we're in the A through L section, so they are in alphabetical order. And so you can scroll through and see all of the colleges and universities that have registered for the event that will be here to answer questions, and you can chat with them and all kinds of good stuff. Now, if you want to access a university that starts with the letter M through Z, you can easily toggle over, once you've registered, you can toggle back and forth from A through L to M through Z by clicking on this link right here on the right hand side. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that link. Again, if you haven't already registered for the event, you're going to need to register for the event. But if you have, it'll just take you to the lobby of that particular event. So for example, our UCs, UCLA will be on this, USC will be on this. All of the Cal States are in the A through L, right, because California State University. So that's how the event will go. So if I scroll through this, I will be able to find the school that I'm looking for. I highly suggest going through this and making a list for yourself of schools that you want to connect with, but also I highly recommend looking into some schools that maybe you hadn't considered before. So, feel free to explore. There's no pressure here, being from home. So please utilize the platform, browse the platform. So when you're ready to speak with a school, you're going to click enter, and you'll note that they've left some comments here for you. Some of them are asking you to provide information as soon as you begin chatting with somebody, or to prepare information. There may be some links that they'll provide. Some things I want to point out: on the right hand side, you'll see these are all of the representatives that will be available to chat. There's a good number of representatives that UCLA is going to provide. That's awesome. If you click on the right hand side, it'll say content. And this is another way that you can connect with them through social media. Again, here is that link to go back to the schools for A through L. And then here are here's some information on what to do in case you have technical issues. Okay, so on the day of the event, you'll be able to chat with them here. There will be a little chat box that will appear. So again, I would highly recommend going over that PDF and the video on how to prepare for the event. But pretty much that's everything. So again, we have over 200 colleges and universities attending, and we are excited to see you here. Thank you.